Hey everyone, we have one of our famous dodgeballs here, and we are going to use it to give you some boxing corrections, right? So if you know what a globe is, right, the globe spins on an axis, right in the center. All right, the globe continues to spin, it will never leave the axis. I want to use that same exact principle, right, for the boxing combinations, right? So when I'm throwing my jab, my cross, my hook, and my whatever combination, I always want it to remain in the center line, right? So that's one of the things that I want to introduce to the student. When I'm punching, a lot of times when I'm a beginner, right, even intermediate advanced, they lean towards the bag to get close for the hook, all right, and this jams them all up. If I step back and I think about where the axis is in the globe, right, I'm constantly rotating on this axis, right? Constantly rotating on this axis. I'm not leaning forward to jam myself, right? I'm not leaning back to like almost not hit the bag. This axis also works in any type of like defense situation, right? So as I back up, if I'm parrying, right? I parry, and I keep my head on this axis. When I go to body cover, I body cover, and I keep this head on this axis. Right? So getting back to my first 5 basic combinations, right? I want to make sure that the student rotates along this axis, that they're not getting too close to the bag or too far away from the bag. Always maintaining that center. As I move around the bag, the same thing happens. As I step out, I always maintain that axis, right? This allows me to keep my posture, and it gives the most torque to my punches.